BMW's distinctive driving characteristics and the elegance of a high-end mobile home are combined in the groundbreaking 2026 BMW Motorhome. This motorhome is made for adventurers who don't want to sacrifice speed, style, or quality in favor of ultra-comfortable, high-performance travel. Performance. The 4.4-liter twin-power turbo V8 hybrid powertrain at the core of the 2026 BMW Motorhome produces an amazing 650 horsepower and quick torque because of its integrated electric motors. Even at high cruising speeds or across uneven terrain, this motorhome provides stable and smooth turning thanks to BMW's well-known adaptive M suspension and xDrive intelligent all-wheel drive. It is among the quickest motorhomes ever made, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 5 seconds. External style. The bodywork combines sportiness and elegance with sleek aerodynamic features reminiscent of the BMW X7 Envision Neue Klasse series. Its aggressive presence is completed by 23-inch aero-optimized alloy wheels, a strong kidney grille with active shutters, and signature BMW laser light headlights. The roof's integrated solar panels support its environmentally friendly design and supply extra energy. Excellence in the interior inside, the BMW Motorhome embodies simple luxury, bolstered by German precision and state-of-the-art technology. Master bedroom, fully soundproofed mood lighting, and a luxurious queen-size bed with adaptable memory foam. A retractable OLED smart screen and ambient aroma infusion are additional features of the bed space. Bathroom, a complete wet room concept. Bathroom featuring high-efficiency water systems, smart glass walls for immediate privacy, and a rainfall shower. Includes a marble-topped vanity and a smart toilet with a heated seat. Living lounge. This contemporary yet comfortable space has a 65-inch 8K screen, a Bowers & Wilkins 3D sound system, and heated and ventilated leather recliners. During the day, a panoramic smart skylight fills the room with natural light, and at night, it turns into a starry ceiling. Kitchen. A small but practical kitchen including quartz countertops, a self-cleaning oven, a smart refrigerator, and an induction hob. Using the BMW Connected Drive app, you can track food thanks to smart inventory management. Digital integration. The climate, lighting, entertainment, and car diagnostics may all be controlled using voice commands, gestures, or the BMW My Mobile app. Features and highlights. AI Travel Assistant built into BMW iDrive 10.0. Climate-controlled wardrobe and storage systems. A built-in parking space for a BMW CE4, electric scooter, onboard electronics, and EV fast-charging ports. Support for Level 3 autonomous driving for long-distance leisure, AR navigation, 5G, and satellite Wi-Fi for off-grid exploration. The 2026 BMW Motorhome redefines what it means to travel in style with its smooth fusion of performance, style, and intelligent technology. This car turns every trip into an opulent and exciting experience, whether you're parking at a coastal retreat or driving through alpine routes.